welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today, let's talk about life and how sometimes it's full of surprises. Well, we all know that. But let's talk about surprises in gardening. I'm on my driveway. And of course, you see that I have still a lot of plants I need to plant. I'll get to it. Well, what happened? I got something last year. One of the plants, of course, which was sitting here for whole summer. And now, let's take a look what happened.
Last summer, I got this beautiful catmint Chartreuse on the loose. Unlike most catmint, Chartreuse on the loose will continue to produce flowers without being cut back. It has season-long interest, perfect for lining the front of the border. Foliage allows for the full 3 seasons of interest with bright chartreuse yellow leaves. Needless to say, Marcus loved to relax next to catmint. Catmint contains a chemical structurally similar to feline pheromones and triggers a euphoric response in many cats. I didn't have time to plant it, and it has been sitting on my driveway for a long time. And look! What a surprise! Seedlings are appearing all over my driveway cracks.
Some more here and some more here. And this guy's got already so big. And I really like the color. Chartreuse indeed. They're actually everywhere. And I can't bring myself just to eradicate them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plant them in small pots, and then
I have so many plants to plant it in my garden.
Now I'm gonna take them out from these cracks and put them in pots.
Here is a close-up to show you nicely developed roots.
Let's go find ourselves some more. Oh, here we go. I don't think we have a shortage of the seedlings at all. Okay, this one is pretty big. Let's see if I can take it out easy way. Oh, okay. Maybe not. Maybe I can just pull it. Let's see. From the Oh yeah, I mean, not ideal, but the root is pretty good. So I am planting it and firming it up. Yay! It looks beautiful. Check this out, guys. I was able to plant quite a few to rescue from cracks and get beautiful free plants. And some of them actually seeded itself in some pots. And I think I'm gonna go and rescue some more, so I'll have plenty.
Seedlings did very well and turned into beautiful young plants ready for the garden. Happy gardening!